For this process, you'll need a pencil, an eraser, and a ruler, plus obviously your paper, which we're going to turn the tall way to begin. To start, we need to mark our horizon line, where the earth appears to meet the sky, about halfway down the paper. I quickly measured my paper to see that it was 11 inches tall, so I marked about halfway down at 5.5 inches to draw my horizon line. You can draw this lightly if you need to. Then add your vanishing points, the points at which things appear to disappear on either end of the horizon line. Make these very dark. Every 2-point perspective form begins as a box, and every box begins as a vertical line. So I'm going to start with about a 4-inch long vertical line, pretty much right in the middle of my paper. Now I'm going to connect the top and bottom of this line to the left and the right vanishing points. You can see I just connected the top and bottom to the left point. Now I'm going to connect the top and the bottom to the right point. This will make like a diamond facing me. So right now the sides of my form go off into infinity and disappear, but I don't want that. I want more like a rectangular prism or even a cube ideally. So on the left side I need to make another vertical line just between the two diagonal ones going to the point that will close off and end the left side of my form. Now I can move my ruler over to the right hand side and do the same thing, trying to make my form kind of like a cube or rectangular prism, keeping the sides relatively equal to each other. Hopefully you can see your form kind of in the middle of that diamond. Once you can see it, you can erase the extra lines to the vanishing points to clean up your paper, as well as where the horizon line goes through the middle of your form, since we are considering it a solid right now that you cannot see through. And there's your basic cube in 2-point perspective that we're now going to add on to.